Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in this video, we'll read lesson 17. In lesson 17, we are learning about silent letters. So there are letters in the word which will be silent when we read. So inshallah, I'll explain more when we start the reading. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So first one is Ain. Ain fatha A. Lam standing fatha La. Ala. So notice here there is a Ya underneath the Lam, and we did not read that. We said Ala. So Ya is silent, and it's not possible to read Ya as well. So this is what you are learning, silent letter. Next one, Alif kasra I. Lam standing fatha La. Ila. So this Ya here is silent letter. Next one, Alif standing fatha A. Waw standing fatha Wa. Awa. This Ya is silent. Fa fatha Fa. Ha fatha Ha. Faha. Dal standing fatha Da. Fahada. This Ya is silent. Alif ghain fatha Agh. Noon standing fatha Na. Aghna. Next line, Ya ha fatha Yah. Ya standing fatha Ya. Yahya. The next one, Ta ra fatha Tar. Dad standing fatha Da. Tarda. So this Ya is silent letter. Next one, Mim kasra Mi. So this Alif is silent. If there is a Alif and before Alif there is a kasra, then that Alif is silent Alif. Mim kasra Mi. Hamza fatha A. Mi'a. Ta fatha Ta. Mi'ata. Waw fatha Wa. Mi'ata Wa. Alif fatha A. Mi'ata Wa A. Nun fatha Na. Mi'ata Wa Ana. So the last Alif is silent as well. Next one, Mim kasra Mi. Noon Lam fatha Nal. Minal. Look here, there is a Alif between Noon and Lam. So this Alif is silent. Minal. Alif Waw Damma U. Minal U. Lam standing fatha La. Minal Ula. This Ya is silent. Ra fatha Ra. Dad Waw Damma Du. Radu. Alif is silent. Alif standing fatha A. Mim fatha Ma. Ama. Noon Waw Damma Nu. Amanu. This Alif is silent. Mim Lam fatha Mal. So here there is two empty Alif. And the rule is when you have to connect with Sukun, and if there is a Alif before it, then you drop the Alif and you connect with the Sukun letter, because you must connect with the Sukun letter with the letter before it, which has Fatha, Damma or Kasra, any of them. So if in the middle, if there is Alif, then we drop the Alif. So Mim will connect with Lam over here. Mim Lam Fatha Mal. Qaf Alif Fatha Qa. Mal Qa. Ra Kasra Ri. Mal Qari. Ain Fatha A. Mal Qari'a. Ta Dammatu. Mal Qari'atu. Next one, Ba. Lam kasra bil. So this alif is silent. Ghain ya fatha ghai. Bil ghai. Ba kasra bi. Bil ghaibi. Now we'll read next page. Page 27. Alif fatha a. Nun fatha na. Ana. So this alif is silent. You need to remember the word ana is a word. Ana is a word. So ana word will have alif and that alif will be silent. So you just need to memorize or remember it. That ana word is short. So ana, ba fatha ba, ana ba, shin fatha sha, ana basha, ra double dammarun, ana basharun. Next one, fa nun fatha fan, so alif in the middle silent. Sad ba fatha sab, fan sab. Waw nun fatha wan, ha ra fatha har, wan har. Ta dhamma tu, waw double fatha wan, tuwan. This here is silent. Ha dhamma hu, dal double fatha dan, hudan. Sad fatha sa, lam standing fatha la, sala. Ta double fatha tan, salatan. This waw is silent. If you find waw, ya in the middle of or end of the word and they don't have anything like fatha, dhamma, kasra or sukun, then those are silent letter. You don't read them. Za fatha za, kaf standing fatha ka, zaka. Ta double fatha tan, zakatan. Okay, now we're gonna read next line. Fa fatha fa, kha damma khu, fakhu. Dhal wa damma dhu, fakhudhu. Ha damma hu, fakhudhuhu. We're gonna spell part by part. So that's one part. Fakhudhuhu. Next one, next part. Wa fatha wa, mim alif fatha ma, wa ma. Nun fatha na, ha standing fatha ha, naha. Kaf mim dhammakum, nahakum. So this one, these two, wama nahakum. That's another part. And then ain nun fatha an, ha dammahu, anhu. And then fa nun fatha fan, alif in the middle silent. Ta fatha ta, fanta. Ha wa dammahu, fantahu. Last line. Wa fatha wa, alif dal kasra id, wa id. Qaf alif fatha qa, wa id qa. Lam fatha la, wa id qala. Alif ba kasra ib, ra alif fatha ra, ibra. Ha ya kasra hi, ibrahi. Mim dhammamu, ibrahimu. Lam kasra li, alif fatha a, li'a. Ba ya kasra bi, li'abi. Ha kasra hi, li'abihi. Alif standing fatha a, za fatha za, aza. Ra fatha ra, azara. So alhamdulillah, we read with spelling. Now we'll read without spelling. You need to go back to page 26 if you are using the book. A, la, ala. I, la, ila. Awa. Fa, ha, faha. Da, fahada. Aghna, aghna. Yah, ya, yahya. Tarda, tarda. Mi'a, mi'ata, mi'ata. Wa, mi'ata wa a, mi'ata wa a na. مئة وأنا من من الأو من الأولى من الأولى رضوا رضوا آمنوا آمنوا ما القارئ ما القارعة ما القارعة ما القارعة بالغيب بالغيب. Next page. أنا أنا بشر أنا بشر فانصب وانحر طوا هدى صلاة زكاة فخذوه وما نهاكم عنه فانتهوا. Try to read the whole line together. If you find it difficult, practice again and again separately and then try to read the whole thing together like this. فخذوه وما نهاكم عنه فانتهوا. Like that. Next line. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آزر. Try to read this line together also. وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ آزَرَ. Alhamdulillah, we have finished reading lesson 17. If I read too fast, you can slow down the video in the setting, or you can pause the video and practice after each line or after each word. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.